Hi, this is Paul Archer. This is a quick video to show you guys that Profilance does work, and I hope you enjoy.
It's either there or it isn't.
Got snow on man.
There it is right there. There's one. Get that thing out. This is the Google AdSense program. What is this one for? $281. Paul Archer. Today is March 3rd, and I'm about to go get one of my paychecks out of the...
Alright. Yep.
You see that? Ready? Alright, I'm going to open it. Probably not the big one. But any check's a good check, no matter what it is. Yeah, this is the $159 one. Oof. This is from the new ClickBank account that I opened up 3 weeks ago. It's a brand new account I just opened. It doesn't get much better than that. My name's Paul Archer. Today's March 4th, and I'm going out to the mailbox to get my big check from ClickBank.
God, such a wonderful day. Hey.
Anything more than $5,000 priority mail. There it is. Priority mail. You see me open it, so.